Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix no audio output device in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, search for control panel. The moment you type that, go for the best match and click on open to continue. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your control panel, if your window doesn't look like this, then go for view by and make it in small icons so that it will look like this. Here you need to look for troubleshooting. Once you find it, click on it. And the moment you click on that, you will be redirected here, the troubleshoot tab. Here you need to go with the third option, which contains other troubleshooters. And here you need to select the audio and run the troubleshooters. Mostly once you run the troubleshooters, it will fix the problem. Okay, just have to run and restart your computer and I'm sure it will be fixed. Unless if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the second step, which is to do a right click here at the start icon and go for device manager. Simply click it to open. The moment you open your device manager, just expand it. And here you need to go for sound, video, and game controllers and select your output device, okay, which is Realtek or audio. Simply do a right click and go for update driver. The moment you click on that, you will be up to choose the two options, which are automatically search for drivers as well as manually to search for. And here you need to go for automatically search for drivers, and if your device, I mean machine, says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then simply close this and go back to your output device again. Do a right click at the driver, and this time you need to go for browse my computer for drivers. Simply click on it. And here you need to go for let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. And here you need to check one by one what Realtek audio, I mean what device will work for you. Okay, so if you have other option here, just simply click one by one, click on next, and check if your output device is now working. And let's say if it doesn't, then simply close this window and let's proceed to the next step, which is you need to click this and do a right click and go for sound settings. Okay. So here in the sound settings, you need to make sure that the output device is the speaker. And if you have accidentally changed it into headphones, then make it a speaker one so that it will work. And let's say if it doesn't still not working, then proceed to the more sound settings. Click this arrow icon here. The moment you click on that, this will appear, this new window. Here you need to make sure that under the playback, the speakers is in default device or mark check. If it's not, then select that, click on apply and OK. Okay. So once done, check if your output device is now working perfectly fine. But let's say if it doesn't again, then let's bound to the last step, which is to do a right click and let's go back to device manager. Click on it. Okay. So just simply expand it and you need to look for sound, video, and game controllers again and select your output device, do a right click and go for uninstall device. The moment you click on that, you just have to restart your computer and it will be automatically installed again in your computer and it will surely work. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.